In this program, we are going to understand how to convert the given number of minutes into the number of hours, and if any of the number of minutes will be left over, so they will be printed separately. So we need a value from the user, and with the input function we are asking the user to enter the time in minutes, and whatever the value will be given by the user, that will be in the form of string by default because of the input function, and that has to be converted into integer. So we are using int here, and after converting it into integer, the value is being stored in this variable. Now, in order to convert it into number of hours, we know that 1 hour has 60 minutes, so we need to divide that particular value by 60. The question that we will get by this calculation, that will be the number of hours. Let's say a person has given 120 as time, so 120 divided by 60 will give you 2 as quotient, so that will be the number of hours, and that will be stored in this variable. And if any number of minutes are extra, let's say the user has given 125, so 5 minutes would be extra, so whatever the remainder that you will get using this calculation will be stored into this variable. And after that we are printing that the number of hours are these and the number of minutes are these. If you run this on idle, so this is the code that we have written. Click on the run module, and here let's say 60, enter. It says 1 hour, and let's say some other value as 125, enter. So it says like 2 hours and 5 minutes. So this is how basically we convert the given number of minutes into the number of hours and the remaining time in minutes.